A mother is filing a human rights complaint after she says she was shamed for breastfeeding her daughter at a community center in Vaughan. Shannon Martin spoke with her today about the experience and explains how the city is now responding.
Can you with me?
Sarah Lamberski says she was just doing something she's done countless times in public before: breastfeed her 16-month-old daughter, Estee. She's in town from Texas and had dropped into a mommy and toddlers group at the Rosemont Community Center. She says a staff member approached her and asked her to move into the washroom. She said no. A second staff member then came over, repeated the request for her to continue breastfeeding in the washroom. Once again, she refused. The staff member said that somebody in the group was uncomfortable and it was against their policy, but Lamberski says she knows her rights, and breastfeeding is a protected right under the Ontario Human Rights Code. She says she felt compelled to speak out. She wants other women to know their rights too.
If this can reach one person and raise awareness so they're comfortable to breastfeed covered or uncovered, or know that if they're in a situation where they're being asked to move or cover, that they have the right to say no, then I'm very happy that this occurred.
The City of Vaughan responded, and in a statement to CBC Toronto said there are no City of Vaughan bylaws or policies that would restrict you from breastfeeding in public spaces. Please be assured that we take this matter seriously. To that end, staff will be provided additional training to avoid any future reoccurrences. Lamberski says she's happy with the response from the city, but she has now filed a complaint with the Ontario Human Rights Commission. Shannon Martin, CBC News, Vaughan.